Hello, what a reading you have. Oh my God, my dear Gemini. And you know what the bottom of the deck is? It is marriage. Okay, very clearly this is celebration. They want marriage with you. That is what is coming over here. Welcome to my channel. And this is a general reading. Remember that you can swap the energy. I may be picking up your energy. I may be picking up your lover's energy also. And if this is not resonating for you, you can watch your moon sign, your rising sign, your Jupiter sign, and especially also your Venus sign, because it is the planet of love. Okay, so let us get started. And if you need a personal reading, it is there available. All the instructions are given in the description box. You can reach me. It is given in a discounted rate right now, so make use of it, my friends. Now let us start. Wow, what a reading. The first card that you have is the Seven of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, who left you. They went away from you. They went away because they wanted to be alone. Okay, they wanted to be alone for a very long time. And what they wanted to think is like how to talk to her, how to talk to him. This was the question. Okay, they were really thinking hard on it. Okay, because they didn't know communication was a big problem, and I understand why. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn are earth sign. Okay, earth sign is like the earth, doesn't move much. Do you see earth talking? When they talk, it's like earthquake. That is a different issue. But that is like they will do the damage, but they actually, yeah, by walking away, they would have given you very sad heart. But you know what? They are also very sad, and they don't express much. Okay, it's difficult for them, especially if you are dealing with a Capricorn. It's very difficult to express. Okay, and also Virgo, Taurus also, they are earth sign. Lot of confusion in their own life, and they decide to just shut up. Okay, more than confrontation, what they believe is the solution is like they'll shut up. They will not do anything, they will shut up. They just walked away. And why they walked away? Seriously, look at this. Is this a problem? Just to figure out how to talk. Like, you know, like going to a school or something, they decided, oh God, I'm not able to talk. I don't know how to express myself. And because of that reason, I'm going to run. And they ran away. They literally ran away. One fine day, you are like, hi, hello, and the number is changed. And hi, hello, you're calling and nobody's picking up. You're going to their house. They're not in their house. Okay, or they're not on Facebook. They're not on Instagram. They're not on Snapchat. They're not there anywhere. And you're like, hey, what is this? Like, where did they go and why are they not talking to me? They didn't even tell me anything. They just like that vanished. That is what they did. Absconding. Okay, that is what they did. They just vanished. And then all they did was think. They were inside the head and thinking what to do. And they gathered the strength now. Good news is that they have gathered the strength now. And they think now is the time they have to give justice, because they know very clearly that what they did to you is wrong. Okay, they know very clearly that you felt sad and you are the reason, like for the sadness and everything. But they could not handle. There is so much of darkness, you know, inside them. Something happened in childhood, something like that, something early relationship what they had, the ex-girlfriend, boyfriend, they ditched them very badly, and they have this very sad understanding, you know, about you know, relationships. But you are a different person and they like you so much. Okay, I'm also talking to somebody who was married also. Okay, probably that marriage was difficult, very difficult for them. Maybe it was very, very difficult for them. Okay, so that is why they're taking their time. This time they want to be very clear, and they don't want to be confused and come like a fool in front of you. You understand? They want to come in a good way and offer you this cup, so that this time, you know, everything is it will be there forever. And nothing becomes, you know, a power game, power struggle, who told whom what. Those kind of issues they don't want now. So they're coming in stronger. And they want the scale to be balanced, like the Justice card. You can be dealing with Virgo, you can be dealing with Leo, you can be dealing with Libra, or you can be dealing with Pisces. You have so many the big arcanas, the major arcanas, the Hermit, the Justice card, you have the Strength card, and you have the Hanged Man. Very, very important message coming across, okay, definitely. And they are going to come and explain the sadness. They are going to tell you how much they missed you and how much they were worrying, how sad they were, how life was very sad without them. Okay, I am also getting the feeling that this could be a childhood relationship, like from very long. They wanted to marry you, and you guys were going around from the time you went to school, I think. Okay, from the maybe you are used to live next to each other, and this person came and proposed you, okay, or you proposed them. Okay, that I'm seeing very clearly over here. So as you can see, I just kept these cards, so that you can also see what I was seeing over here. The Six of Cups is there, and you also see the Hierophant, which is about marriage. Okay, there may be a problem because of the religion. Maybe she or he is Muslim, Christian, Zoroastrian, Jew, whatever. Okay, somebody is Asian, one person is from the Western world. So all these things are coming as a problem. It was a problem, but now I don't think there is any problem now. There is only go ahead. They have decided because they took their time to decide, to make the decision. They went away, right? And all they wanted to do is think and think and think. That is why I told you the Hermit card is there and the Four of Swords card is also there. All they thought about is how to communicate to you. Now they have found out how to communicate to you, and they're coming. You could be dealing with Aries, Sagittarius, Leo also very strongly. There is a lot of love. There is no questioning that. There is Taurus, there is Cancer also over here very clearly. It is seen, okay, Gemini. So this seems like a very strong, union, because you have a person who wants to give strong and solid decisions. And they transformed themselves. The whole situation now has transformed itself, and then they are coming towards you. So this is not a person who decides, things very hastily. They are there, Knight of Pentacles, okay. Knight of Pentacles means they take the decision and all. They take time to take the decision, and once they made the decision, they will come and tell you. And because when they are confused, no, they will not come to you. They will not come to you when they are really confused and all that. They take the time, and they decide what option is the best and everything. And they find out a new strategy. They find a new plan. They work out the whole plan. Okay, they plan it very beautifully, and then they come with this offer that will only give growth. And they have had this complete transformation which they needed. I told you, they wanted to learn to talk. Okay. They could not talk to you, man. They could not talk to you. They found it very hard to talk to you. Oh my God, when this person comes, that's it. My throat chakra is blocked. Okay. They are telling all the story and to themselves. Okay. And now they've decided to just walk away from this, and they are coming towards you. Definitely. I'm going to take one more card, for your reading only. I've taken so many cards. And remember, if you need a personal reading to delve deeper, to get more information, we can do that. I will give you a 40 to 45 minutes reading, which will be very clear. Okay, look at what amazing cards you have. I took cards for you, and both the cards are so amazing, so amazing. You have the Sun card. Okay. Wow, you got the Sun card, and you got the Page of Swords. Okay, they are looking at you, they are following you so much. This is resembling another reading that I did. Please go and see that reading, because I have given the name as they are following you like the sunflower follows the sun. This was the reading's title that I gave, okay, to one of the readings. I don't remember which one. So you go and watch that, because it is definitely looking like your story, because both these cards came for them also, and it gave the same information. They went away from you, but your memories was always surrounding them. All over the place they had your memories. Okay. So they are thinking about you so much, and all they want to do is spend the rest of their life with you. When they wake up in the morning, they want to see your face. when they go to sleep, you know, they want to look at you, this beautiful face, they want to look at you, and then they want to sleep. Okay, so that is what is coming towards you, my beautiful, beautiful Gemini. Have a wonderful day, and let me know if you need a personal reading. I absolutely am thankful for all the donations that you are giving me, and it is helping me grow my channel, to buy new deck, to buy new stones, to buy all the necessary things for my channel to give you better services. Go and comment also. It helps in upgrading my channel so that more people can watch. Give me a like, give me a share, and subscribe. I wish you all love, success, and all the things which are going to be incredibly making you happy in your life. Thank you so much. Bye.